Hey cruising crew, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're Holly and Andrew, and today I'm going to be giving you a full tour of our stateroom on board Odyssey of the Seas. We are in cabin 8120, a balcony cabin at the front of the ship on the port side, and it is gorgeous. These are probably the biggest cruise cabins I've been in ever, so stay tuned as we take you around on this cabin tour. We have a balcony cabin on board Odyssey of the Seas, and these are honestly the biggest cruise cabins I think I've ever been in for like a standard cruise room. So the bed is next to the door, and then we have a couch over here by the balcony, and there's just a ton of space. There's a lot of like really smart design choices that they made, so I'm super excited to show you guys around the room. I'm gonna close this so you can kind of see the room here. When you first walk into the cabin, we've got our AC controls, our light switch, and a spot to put your room key. But they've given us a card so that our room always has power and electricity to make sure we've got lights, AC, the TV stays on. So you can see we've got a big king bed here. It's right when you walk into the room, and then on the other side, we've got the couch, table, the mini fridge, all that. I'll get to that in a minute. But first, I want to show you the bathroom. One of the greatest design choices I think is having this on an angle. It actually makes the bathroom feel so much larger than a standard cruise ship bathroom. And look at the size of the shower. Hopefully you can tell that it's quite a bit larger than any other cruise ship bathroom. Another really nice feature of this room is that there are actually two closets. So right next to the bathroom is this big closet for all of your hanging items. Currently where our suitcases are stored. It's right next to the bed. You can also store your suitcases under the bed. There's plenty of space under there. Got this massive bed. Got a full-size mirror. And you walk further into the room. It's our bed here. Lots of storage up here. Both of those open up. We've got our TV. Currently showing our route through Europe, and a nice webcam out to the pool. And then on the other side is a second closet. This closet has a little bit of hanging space, some shelves, the safe, and then at the bottom, it's even got a few drawers. So that's really nice. And even next to the bed, we've got a little bit of storage. We've got our phone to call other rooms, and actually on this side, there's even an outlet. US plug there. I'll show you this one too. Plenty of storage. I love these little lamps. They've got controls right underneath. Turn them on and off. And then this controls the rest of the room. Back to this side. So next to the bed, we've got our big couch. I absolutely love the colors of these rooms. It's like blue, teal, and gray. Very modern. Kind of funny pictures, which is pretty typical of cruise ships. And then another really neat design feature that I like of this ship. So normally on a cruise, you've got a table right here next to the couch, which is great for storing things, not so great for utilizing space in your room. What I really like about the design of this ship is that you have a desk over here. You've got a chair, you've got a desk, you've got this whole like cabinet thing, but this desk actually moves. So you can move it anywhere in the room. You can move this next to the couch to have, a meal on. You could move it next to the bed if you wanted as like an extra table. I love that feature. And then of course we've got two more outlets here, two US plugs, two USB plugs, and one European plug. So because I've got my converter, I will be using that one as well. I've got some light switches. I love this. I love these big mirrors with the lights around them. So nice. And it turned those lights on too, which is great at night when the room is dark. This big mirror, hello again. And then we've got even more storage over here. So we've got a lot of drawers. We've got a hair dryer, some tissues, lots of drawers here. You've got your mini bar menu and your room service ordering, lots of drawers. And then also got a mini cooler, as they like to call them. It's not super chilly in there, but it will work to keep some waters and stuff cool. Speaking of, because we are Crown and Anchor members, they actually had 6 water bottles in our room ready for us, which is great. Even though there's free water on board, it's really nice to have it available in the room when you want it, or to take it off the ship. Got this lamp. It does not move, but it's really pretty. I really like the design of this room. And then of course, behind these curtains is our balcony. So we are at pretty much the front of the ship. You can see the bridge right there. We're on the 8th floor, so pretty high up from the ocean. But it's a good sized balcony with 2 recliners. And I love that it has this extra little footrest. We also have a little table, our second chair there. And this is the first time I've actually seen these kinds of sliding doors on the cruise ship, where it's actually just a single. But of course, the best part of the balcony stateroom is the view. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like, subscribe, leave us a comment below, and the biggest thing you can do for us is tell your friends and family to check out our videos. Oh, and by the way, if you're interested in booking a cruise on board Odyssey of the Seas or any other cruise, please reach out to me. I'm a Fora travel agent. I'd be happy to help you book your next vacation. All right. Goodbye, Rome.